Welcome to day 24 of my 0 to 10K in 30 days with Amazon ads for my Amazon KDP books. My name is Dean, the Wealth Coach, and let's begin. Alright, so let's see how we did yesterday. 24, 6 days left, guys. 6 days left. And let's see. And nope, we didn't sell anything yesterday. Okay. So 5 books. Nothing yesterday. Let's see what happened with marketing. Let's go to the UK first. Let's see if we're spending some more money over there. With the UK massive. Alright, so we're still at 50 cents. Impressions are going up. So nothing yet. So let's go over to the other side now. Let's check Keanu. 38 cents still, so this one's not moving either. It's almost like you have to figure out one country before you can figure out the other countries. So let's see here, second. So it looks like we haven't spent any more money since. Today's the 4th. Okay. So what is it? I needed cool. Let's do that clicks. So increase the budget on this one, but this one, those are previous sales, so it's not doing anything for that one. It goes back to 5. They change the price per click on that. It's like 20 cents only because this one's costing me a lot and it's not producing. The journals, nothing. Let's see. So let's see. The credit book I spent 30, the journal I spent 10, 12, about 13, kids book for 5. So this one sold 1, 2. This one sold. Not many clicks yet. So there's 1, 1, 1. Okay. Not much is going on there. So this one got some clicks. Let's see. You can drill down and see who else is clicking in here. Okay, so this is all from one day. Let's see here. So I got 6 clicks on this one. Let's see what is being clicked. So finally do ending this order. DBT. Not sure what that is. So it just seems like books is bringing in or brought in the sales, but everything else I don't know. What these are. So you know what that means. Back to the drawing board. Try to figure this out. If you guys know any good keyword online courses or videos on YouTube, send them my way. I'll go through them to see if it can actually help with this. But as of right now, what I'm doing is not working that much, or my books are just not that good. Who knows? So that's something for me to figure out. My clicks didn't go up, stayed the same. Oh wait, this is February 2nd. I forgot because it's not the lifetime one, so you have to do this. Okay, so I got a few clicks. Let's see. So we did spend money yesterday. Not much. So we went up 7 clicks, but we're still spending. Okay, so this here now, so let's see. So the journal is not doing so well, so that might be the next to go. This one I spent a lot, but these 2 sales came from before, not recently, so that might have to get canned. And on to the next one. So not much movement here. However, if there's a will, there's a way. I'm determined to find out the secret sauce to opening up and getting some sales. And once I do, guess what? I'm going to share that news with you guys. Anything is possible if you put your mind to it. And when you hit a roadblock, you need to just sit down, think, why is this not working? Try to think of every possible reason why it's not working. And once you have all that, you want to try to find a solution for all these things, all these problems. When you do find these problems, then you're going to test it out in the market to see if it actually is solving a problem. If it doesn't, scratch it and move on to the next one. So right now I'm kind of hitting a roadblock. I'm spending money, not getting sales. I need to figure out what's going on. I tried adding more keywords at a cheaper cost, but that's not working either. So I got to continue doing my research to figure out how can I start converting my ads into sales. So that is my homework. If you guys have any questions or comments or want me to make a video on something particular for the Amazon KDP books, leave it in the comments below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you tomorrow for day 25.